slap that subscribe button, comment, like, and share on Instagram or social media. Hi, welcome to CJ Wild Money Entertainment. And if you've never been to my channel before, I'm CJ, and I get happy when I get a box, cause I get to use my knife. And there's always something special in the box. So let's see what's inside. It's like there's a box inside the box. Okay, don't need this box. This is a cordless, rechargeable, portable, oral water flosser for teeth. This is effective cleaning bright teeth, healthy gums. The water flosser operates on a high frequency pulse of 1,400 times per second. It provides a clean that removes plaque and promotes dental hygiene. It's 265 millimeter water tank. It has 3 standard jet tips for daily cleaning, an orthodontic tip for cleaning braces and bridges, a paradental tip for cleaning gums, and a tongue cleaner. 6 altogether. It has a Type-C changing port for rechargeability. It comes with 4 nozzles. It has a line where you can get ahead and hit for the maximum level, which is on the back. It has 4 customable cleaning modes. It caters to different needs. Ensure for deep cleaning and gum health. Beginners should start at the gentlest mode for comfortability. You add the water to the line. You insert the tip. You press the mode switch button to select appropriate mode. Then you put it in your mouth directly in a 90-degree angle to the gum line. You press the power switch to turn on the power. Press the button to remove or replace the nozzle. Want more information about the water flosser? Look in my description below this video.